When did you learn how to change a tire?
Every self-respecting gentleman should know how, in case he comes across a damsel in distress by the side of the road.
If I see one scorpion, I'm getting on someone's shoulders and never coming down.
And there's your damsel.
The GPS says leave the road, the compass, she ain't no good. Man, we're really out here in this backwoods. Some say it's the boondocks, some say it's off
Don't
grid.
get that tree.
We're bearing down, we're RVB.
So we're at the campground, and lo and behold, guess what? A flat tire. So we call these good folks coming out and take care of us.
Well, anyway, we had quite a day today. We woke up, it was beautiful out. I was thinking today was going to be a swimming pool day.
I was thinking the same thing. That's weird.
But it turned out it was a flat tire day, and there's Brassard Towing and Recovery. Thank goodness for them folks.
Oh yeah.
Real nice guy, came out. Good Sam's. We have Good Sam's Roadside towing assistance.
Right.
And I'll tell you what, if you're out there traveling and you don't have roadside,
Get it.
you got to be crazy, man.
Yeah.
I'm serious, man.
Gotta have it.
I mean, you know, until you change your first tire with 80-mile-an-hour traffic driving by on a highway, you'll wish you had somebody to call.
Right. Right.
But this guy came out and did a great job. He got the tire off. Luckily, we bought 7 brand new tires. It's only been a month. So it was quite shocking that your tire went flat. But he went back and he got the spare on. And, you know, being the kind of guy I am, I didn't like having an unmatched tire. The spare doesn't match the other 6. They didn't have 7 of the same kind of tires.
Right, when we bought them.
Right, so I said, let's run over to Discount Auto. That's where we bought them. We'll get them to switch out to fix that one.
Right.
And put it back on and put the spare where the spare
Back where it
goes.
belongs, right.
So we go over there. Well, first of all, they don't have an extension. They don't have dually extensions.
Isn't that strange, though? What are y'all doing out there?
Yeah, put it in the comments. Let us know. What are you doing if you're running a dually? And I don't care if it's a truck or an RV, whatever dually you got. What are you doing for extensions? What brand? What Amazon got them? Where are you getting them? What are you using? Because these braided, what do you call them? Wiggly, flexible, I guess.
Right, flexible.
Yeah, that's what leaked.
Right.
And
it wasn't the tire at all.
No.
It's the valve stem.
Yeah, it was a valve stem extension. So let us know what you're using in the comments. But anyway, yeah, we went over there. They don't have any. And I said, well, there's like 5 or 6 other discount tire around Houston. And he told me none of them have them.
Weird.
Yeah, or is it that they suck?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
But anyway, we went over there, and I called the guy. He said to come right over. They'd be ready. I'm going to give Discount Auto, I'm going to give Good Sam's 5 stars for their response today.
Right.
Very happy. I'm going to give Discount Tire 1 star because, well, I'll give them 2 because it was so hot, and they did change out. They did look at the tire. There was nothing wrong with it but the stem. They put it back on, and they put our spare back in the spare hole.
Yeah, after waiting an hour and a half. So, yeah, 2.
Yeah, they told us an hour and a half. And unfortunately, we don't have a toad, so we had to take the rig over there. We got the dog sitting in here. It's a long story, but this rig did not come with a generator. It was ordered without a generator. Thank you, California people. But anyway, so we sat there for an hour and a half running the motor and the AC off the
trying to keep cool.
Off the chassis, barely kept up. But anyway, we all got through it. It worked out all right. We got the tire back on. We're back on the road, hopefully. But I just got to figure out what to do because they couldn't give us an extension. So I have no way to check the air or put air in that outside dually.
Right, until we figure this out.
Right, until we figure it out. So anyway, if you know, please put that in the comments. But yeah, it was quite a day, hot. I mean, that guy's out there working right now. He's so cool, man. Brassard. If you're ever in the Willis or Houston area and you need help, get a hold of Brassard. They've been around for a long time, towing and recovery. You can see the phone number if you check the video here. But just a great guy and a
great service.
Working hard, man, out there in 100-degree heat. So we really did appreciate it. Anyway, so yeah, we just kind of looking for a little help, suggestions on what you use, and we're glad to have it, fixed back up and basically ready to go. I hate not being able to check the air pressure.
Yeah, it's a weird feeling.
Yeah, drives me nuts.
Yeah.
But I had a feeling those flexible were going to be the
Stems
problem.
weren't going to work, right.
Yeah, I've heard horror stories about those flexible stems. In fact, I think Campervankevin got rid of his. He was saying that his tires kept going down. So, but anyway, we're doing well, and it's funny. It's our first shakedown cruise. So, just to let you know, sometimes the shakedown stuff shakes down. And there's a good picture right there of his truck, Brasser.
Yeah, phone number right there.
Yeah, good people, man. If you ever need any help, give them a shout.
hook
And
you up.
also, listen, man, if you're out there traveling, running the roads, I know it's a little bit of money, but it's not that much. Get yourself some roadside assistance. Get at least somebody that'll come out and tow you or get you some tire care without breaking the bank. Because actually today came out to be a zero-cost day.
We could afford that really good.
I could afford zero.
Yes.
So anyway, because like I said, there was nothing wrong with the tire except the valve stem. So anyway, I'm Bear.
And I'm done.
And we are RV BFE. Get out there.
Toodaloo.